Well. Dream team, one team. Dream team, one team. You know, before we hit the road, you know what them say, you have to take care of the baby. You know, so it's time when I get the car service. You know, getting the car service, as you can see. We have Lewis himself here.
Up.
You know, my personal mechanic. You know, him say, Kino, it's time for the car service. Where you at? You know, so this is where I'm at now, getting the vehicle service before we take on the road, because you know we can't take on the road without getting the car service, right, Lewis?
Yeah, man.
So Lewis, if anybody want to get any contact, you know, say your cars, your mobile, right? Them can call you and drop right at them stop.
Yeah,
so we call it a one-stop mechanic. One phone call and you're there, right? So guys, I recommend Lewis too, you know, if you broke down anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere at all, if you have any problem, you can call him and come right at your doorstep. Lewis, take off your mask, let them see your face, man. Take off that mask, like I know the sun hot. The sun while you have it on, people see him face and then can't hide. You know, so give them a contact number just in case.
506-8407.
Yeah,
506-8407. Lewis.
And this is Lewis, he's a great mechanic. I'm gonna say the man will fix our work. Take a lot of your face, man. We don't want to put that on it. The sun hot, don't worry about the sun from. The man will fix our plane parts. They say ship, give me some low down.
Boat engine.
Union. And we have the next great man here say himself. You know, in response for all business around here, so him, the richest man is a Jamaica. I'm the boss. You know, make them know your name.
Name Junior, but him kind of stretch it out a little bit.
Yeah, man.
Just right here, sir. Just right here, sir.
Alright, so Junior is the man who responds for here, you know. Right here with the right in Portmore. Why you in Portmore with it?
With a sub-bar commercial complex where the tradesmen them get to expand them business. So we move from household to our own place.
Okay. So it's progress, right?
It is progress. Definitely
progress. So you see, that's what the ghetto use them we are doing. Progress. So the man move from household to move him the business part now. So progress. I always get everything done for me, you know, so you know, say every 3 months you have to service a vehicle. So I guess it's 3 months now, so I have to service up the vehicle. So
I'm going to have a channel too now. I'm going to have a TikTok thing I should put stuff back because them though camping and them stuff. Them call me crazy cause I'm talking to myself, but me I reason with a man upstairs. Yeah, you maybe judge me when I say this, but one time I used to wonder if I got up there. Till him give me the sight and get the vision clear. Bring me in at the light, know me have no fear. Evil still a fight, but I don't care. Cause who got shoes, them can't compare.
She says she loving the way how me knock it. And if she ever breaks, say she not gonna give me jacket. She says she on the door, but she loving how me jam it. And anyway she flick it, so me flashing out me ratchet. She says she never book a man we make she have a panic. And anytime she up me suck my buffer like my wallet. She says she want my muscle, my jaw for the mallet. I'm gonna drop asleep and she tell me that she's a bitch. So she tell me say for wait and come back again. Wait and come back again.
Weekends now.
Watch out, man. Woman light, me no pass, me no hype in a dog, me just want the weed last. Epicon in my palm, expensive, no rush, shoulda asked me the weed cost. Crocs Nation speed up, Tanisha the weed boss, me a bun a new strain now. Watch out, hold the weed nice so. If I know I strain yo, damn and I go. Don't forget the OG gelato. The grabber too and nobody left it on you. Hold the weed nice so.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Starfish man. Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
All is well.
Yeah, man.
Pick up yourself, man.
Yeah,
You don't know. Starfish man, yeah. Well. So we're there here. We're in Cockburn Pen. You know, come up Talk of the Town. You know, but you probably hear about Talk of the Town studio with representing for Talk of the Town like 450. You know, probably know the name 450. Most of them know the name 450. New artists that bust out on the scene as well. Okay, so now we're in Cockburn Pen. You know, gonna get some interview with some artists, you know, and get some insight of the community, because you know a lot of time I hear about Cockburn Pen, but probably never yet seen it before, you know. And I'm here with D Mwango.
Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. So my name is D Mwango from Kenya in Africa. Please subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. Let's get him to 50k. Now he's at 30k,
Yeah.
depending on when we're watching this video. So let's get him to 50,000 subscribers. He's an amazing guy. He's actually showing me around. So help me say thank you by subscribing to his YouTube channel. All right. And today's outfit courtesy of Gino Bambino. Follow her on Instagram.
And please go and subscribe to D Mwango,
Thank
you know,
you.
from Kenya. You know, she on the road to 400,000k.
Yay.
So let's get her there, please. So today we're in Cockburn Pen.
Yes.
Manners.
Yeah, me there over by
Boy, Bingy, big up yourself, Bingy. And this is D Mwango.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice to
Yeah, let it come back.
What the artist name? Anila. Okay, you must say bigger always a post. And the thing,
It's like a
new
one
sensation.
one like.
Then so let's have the studio this.
Yeah, this is the part was, you know.
Oh, so you have a bar as well.
Regular lights.
Talk of the town. So if you ain't talking up the town.
Yeah, man, one talk of the town. One Dutchie, I said, with
Artist too, Dutchie. Goes by the name Dutchie.
Yes, sir.
See it there. Talk of the town as well too.
Talk of the Town artists, everybody, man. One team.
one unit, yeah.
One team.
And then problem one J there and there.
Oh, blessed. 1J you say?
No, problem.
Problem.
Yeah, man.
Problem. Talk of the town. This is D Mwango. Blessed in general. You're artist too? Okay. You?
Producer Billy B.
Oh, you're the producer? Bill B.
From Kenya.
From Kenya? Oh, that's... I could hear that.
Yeah, he from Kenya. So this is where all the magic happens.
Right.
Right, I've been noticing a big artist come out right now recently up on the road in 450.
Yeah.
Represent the same label as well, right?
Yeah.
Great look.
So, you don't know, the studio itself is... It's in a state now where it's being broadcasted to the world, and all the artists you see around you, everybody that takes a part in the team has played an immense part in making sure that the standard of the studio is kept up to the level. So we're just here, you know, vibing around.
Yeah, see it there. And you know the artists them have it naturally, you know. I'm always say the artists that show up in the thing, you know. So
One and here, you know, the connect government, one talk of the town, you see,
they
it's
hear the
the
name.
side of the big G, you know?
So them hear the name, them see the
No,
face.
see the face.
Make them hear the voice now.
Oh, them see the voice?
Make them hear the voice.
Can't link with the G, I still want to touch my friends. How you fi be artisan, can't show your face on the ends. No time for your waste, pan yo. No time for your waste time, though. Girl, you must be crazy enough. Fuck. Bam, you know the thing, that only a group, that only I got drop in the week, you see me Friday, this I drop, you see me and Clicks England artist, you know the thing already.
Yes.
Broad scale.
So what? Give me social media.
Well, if you know what says Anelian Music, you see me? Anelian _ EPG, ANEILLYON _EPG, you see it?
Yeah.
Talk of the town artist, you know the connect government.
Alright, so we're
One
Anelian.
evidence, you see
One
me?
Dutchie.
One Dutch artist there. Dutchie. One Dutchie. One Dutchie.
This is Dutchie.
Alright. We're not talking about Dutch part.
No time.
Talk about the Dutch part. One
You know when
Dutchie.
you pass the Dutchie on the left hand side, so I'm kind of Dutchie like that, you know?
Alright. So see there, just like Anili, you hear the name, when you see the face and we hear the voice, are the same thing we are saying for Dutchie right now.
One.
You want to hear the voice.
Want to hear the voice? Alright, me have some more job about 4 days ago. Want to go check it out. It's called The Man Upstairs on YouTube.
Yeah.
It goes like, them call me crazy cause I'm talking to myself, but me a reason with the man upstairs. Yeah, yeah, you may be judge me when me say this, but one time I used to wonder if I got up there. Till him give me the sight and get the vision clear. Bring me in the light, know me have no fear. Evil still a fight, but I don't care. Cause who got choose, them can't compare. One talk at the town, you know it already.
One talk at the town. You see there. So, when you youth in the born and grow in the community here?
Yeah, man.
Born and grow here, right?
Yeah, man.
Bingy.
Grew in a era.
Yeah.
Never born in the era, still.
Born and grow in the area.
One year.
Yeah, you're the producer.
Yeah, man, born and grow in the community, you see it?
Yes,
and
yeah.
our thing this, you know, start this from scratch with great bigger, you know?
Yes, big
Yeah,
up.
man, you see
Big
it?
up, big up.
Bigger in England, they stay away, you know?
Same way.
You see?
I can't afford JP,
Yeah.
I guru that. Them man I teacher, one teacher.
Yeah.
You see it?
Cause you workers want to know, explain to the talent where I go and then now I go show where I go on at the neighborhood. Cause you know a lot of people hear about Cockburn Pen.
Yeah.
But you know said we hear about negative and also there's positive.
Straight
So you know we can't hide the sides them same way. So we are exploring the talent same way and you can show the world where I go and what's about Cockburn Pen and everything is in because I want the future can make a change right now.
Yeah.
You understand that the music is the way sometimes. And not even sometimes, music is the way.
Music is
Because
the way all the time.
it is a message.
The thing is, you're so always at home for anybody who is, you know, interested and have the mindset for do the right thing. You know, the gate never lock for nobody at all. Because you can see pure youths there. You know?
Yes,
Me awa.
You're the youngest.
Me awa. No. You just older than me. But as a man who is younger than Anelian, we can teach Anelian and that's how we work.
Yes,
At Talk of the Town.
Yeah.
So each one teach one.
yes.
I'm the artist
just
and
do the right
improvise
thing.
myself, so
Yeah.
that's important.
So
Okay.
me are the engineer as well, me a musician, all of them stuff. Me ready to take up the camera and do a video
Same
in the
way.
body.
I'm not. I even
Ready
know
for
some video them. Doesn't
Edit
work.
the video, I'm ready to do
One bad
whatever
side.
it takes to make it work.
Mm-hmm.
One
ready to
bad
make it
side.
do. You know,
So-
I'm ready.
So Bingy, that's the name it goes by, right?
Yeah, as artists.
As artist.
And Badasai as
Engineer.
producer, engineer, whatever else. But being the artist.
So the 450, you are the producer of that as well too?
Well, no, you know me forwarding like
Yeah,
lately
450
still.
now, me have to come to with dealing with that now.
Yeah.
Oh, you.
Yeah,
This
it's
man
a
and the
four.
man.
It's a
Brother,
450.
Mm-hmm.
We are bring 450 from Jump Street. You see what I say? And me first bring 450 coming at the studio. Yeah, you see it.
Yeah.
But you don't know. I keep it real then, cause a real thing with the pan. You see me I say? You see that thing you know? A history me I go on still, you know. You see, there's a youth up the road named Duffy. You see it? Show me him one night and he must sing a song named Size 10. But it depends on the next man with him. So we flick it and put it in an hour with him. You see what me I say? And put him on road. You see it? But you see after that now, the youth they and them go and good. But I don't know all them youth are still. I tell all of them youth are from now still, you know. them artists here, you know, I make sure I tell them, you know.
Yeah.
You see it? On the day I would up on the ground and everything good. Opening a bus and start with the little butter. On the door do like 450.
I want talk
You
on
hear
the
me I say?
town.
One talk on the town.
Okay.
You hear me I say from the
Yeah.
real talk. I watch this now. You see from the dog goes a boom and the dog bus.
Yeah.
Me I tell you the truth. It's like me I come like me and worst enemy. Me don't know where him and some other man have, but the man him not deal with me. Him not check me, him done with me. Night after night we used to in this stay so. You see it? When we got a chef, we trust all food. You think me afraid for talk? We used to trust food as chef. You see it? And make sure say the artist alright. Bigger used to say alright, ropes. Send a piece of food.
But right now, right now is a different
ball game now. You see the ball game where we depend? The ball game you know.
We now stop help the youth.
I be a youth where I help. Me now watch your face you know, but give thanks and praise to him and make more life to him and make him do what him do. But you see right now family, one talk of the town.
Yes,
and we are going to show them say we are start from scratch but we still there. We not stopping up. Because the thing real. You see it?
Yes.
So
and
that's what the thing say.
as we say, you know, a lot of people been through the same thing, you know. Everybody together, and as them start to make a dollar now, then direction change.
True that.
You know, it's really changed. So
Yeah.
we understand, and I hope the youth them just listen to what the man I say. And nearly.
Yeah, right now. Look at
You
because Anil and a family this right here, you know, because we're born and grow as we say, see, talk of the town. I'm a bigger cousin, you see me, so I just say there and the unity we have now and we have with the connecting where we're there now, you know, the music, and that me a bit a look for you see me. So coming and talk of the town and then so Anil and explore the music on a different level and
yeah, I'm have to step it to you know.
Wide pages, you know, that is different.
Family.
Them money I'm find out say them money I'm a family and me never even know.
Yeah.
But life is life, candle in the wind.
Yes,
Anil and music, one talk of the town said we Brip. You see me?
One
EPG, eminence on the ground, you see me?
We like the sound still, we like the sound. So Bingy,
And we have some greater
you say you're an artist as well too, you know.
Yeah, man,
Slash producer. So I could hear your side of the music too, know.
That just bigger favorite car from there my cry and I tell me say make sure say we make the world hear it.
Yeah.
You know? She say she loving the way how me knock it. And if she ever break, say she not gonna give me jacket. She say she on the door, but she loving how me jam it. And anyway she flick it, some more flashing out me ratchet. She say she never book come on, we make she have a panic. And anytime she up me suck my buffer like my wallet. She say she want my muscle, my jaw for the mallet. I'm on a drop asleep and she tell me that she's a bitch. So she tell me say for wait and come back again. No. Wait and come back again.
I saw her go on, Bingy, I saw her go on.
And even a joke, and this this man, the man who said, young problem.
Yeah.
One problem.
So it sound like you give a lot of problems right now.
That's right.
Musically. You know?
Musical problem.
Lyrical problem. Yeah, if they don't know, I go give them a piece and I want to dedicate it to my mother the same way. For every tear where you cry is a black that in the mansion where me I go build you. I go kill poverty for every liquid give you. Every time it nearly make hungry kill you. Me I go full up a pool full of water. For the one where you cry on your pillow. Just because you are the center of my world, I promise you what the world me I give you. Me tell my mother say it's alright. I'm so proud to see the light I put in your eyes. And a beautiful smile. You are gonna drive just for being my drive. And on my darkest days, mommy, I'm alive. I'm glad you're there by my side.
That's the rhythm. These songs.
Yeah, man.
And what it was how much song we drop on that rhythm now? 10 songs.
10 powerful
Grateful
songs.
rhythm.
Yes,
Great. Right now, would I even want to hear it to tell you the truth because the natural ability I we have right now and the capable, how we capable for the ball game now, and the sound them we give off.
But you're not tell him
More about the weed song first.
You're not tell him how that really come about.
Yes.
The Grateful Rhythm is like my father's studio one evening and it's like when my father's studio me hear Anil and everybody outside vibe to this rhythm and thing and them a sing a bunch of songs.
Yeah.
And I say, you know, I go and take my little time pull in that door, sit down and build a rhythm towards everything where they must sing.
Yeah.
So it's like them there here and them a vibe and me there in here just take me look at time and put it together. And then when time we're done, we just say, who ready for record first? And everyone will say, record first. I'm gonna say, yeah, the rhythm done build, like ready, like in quick time. Done it and then when time
Right at home, you feel my 2 songs put for it.
a 2 song this man.
Our Sam not even know say him did a voice.
Yeah,
And
like
this man pass and say, yo, you want add a verse to it? It's add a verse to it.
other verse too.
And then when we hear the song, I say, yeah man.
And that's what we work, we just do it.
Work of art.
Weed cast now. What's on? Woman light, me no pass, me no hype in a dog, me just want the weed last. Epicon in my palm, expensive, no rush. Shoulda asked me the weed cost. Crocs Nation speed up. Tanisha the weed boss. Me a bun a new strain now. Watch out, hold the weed nice so. If I know I strain yo, damn me now go. Don't forget the OG gelato. The grabber too and nobody left it and Joe. Hold the weed nice so. If I know I strain yo, damn me now go. Don't forget the OG gelato. The grabber too and nobody left it and Joe. Watch out, bigger me bun some weed. Never get higher Mount Everest. Legend I wanna be living on the canopy. Purple this skunk
When the fun of
I'm gonna left this on. I'm going to find it. Listen, I'm going to check out the
Check in. So tell them the name of the song.
right now, that's Weedcast. That's Weedcast. Under the Montclair rhythm.
That's man.
And you find up on YouTube ANEILLYON. You know the thing though, Weedcast. You know what the Weedcast is? This is the Weedcast. What does that? Smoke some weed and like.
Smoke some weed.
One Dutch up on the rhythm as well, so you know what I want.
Yeah, Dutch it up on the rhythm.
You know it's bad as but that's why same pass the Dutch on the left hand side. Up in the ear, I like tight with a white smile. Me ear bow funny weed long time. Last night me finally try. Me go buy one giant, but that's how you see as the light. Eyes are bleed, tears of joy. And I can fly, so me circle for buy that twice. This time me a carry one. I ain't nothing like ganja. Everybody like ganja. Why you think Big Belly Boots have a bag like Santa? Weed for sale, not sponsor. Me buy that, me roll it, me light up, me green lantern. Me teleport pan a constant. Me didn't dip on the moon, a stargaze like NASA. Looting them there London. And everybody be like, ain't nothing like weed.
No.
You know, as I say, we're there for highlight the youth them, you know, and we are trying our best we can go around so we can give everybody an insight on what go on in the inner city. You see, because youth them full of talent, see me, but they need the strength we can push them out, see me. And hearing full sound, I'm telling the truth, you see me, the road is there for them to take on. You know, and that's for us continue the journey, see me, and each and every one of them have that unique talent, you know.
Where's that?
I'm telling the truth. Yeah, so I have to tell you, Binky. Come look at the genius behind everything on us right now, you know, isn't it?
And then the young brain over there, so.
Yeah. But the young brain, so what go on young brain?
I still don't know put in every night.
Every night.
I go by the name 1J Productions, that's my moniker.
1J Production.
That's my pseudonym.
Okay. So that's what you can find up on all platform, 1J Production, right?
No, on Instagram it's 1J_prod. It's ONEJAY PROD.
Okay.
And TikTok everywhere.
Same thing. So give them a shout out as well to your platform.
It's The Problem on every platform. DI_problem. That's PROBLXM. You see me? Just search me for anywhere at all. YouTube, even in a dictionary you find it.
Google search it.
Yeah man, Bingy, if you find Bingy, just search. BINGIMUZYK. You know, on all platforms, everywhere. MUZYK. Remember, music that same way, you know.
One Dutch.
First in my face, you know is who. This is Dutchy. That's my name for every platform. Instagram, TikTok, just check them out. This is Dutty. This is Dutchy.
Yeah.
ISISDUTCHI.
This is Dutchy. You know,
and remember as well. talk of the town.
The one
Talk of the town. Anywhere at all, you write in talk of the town.
Yeah.
You find it.
Google searchable. You see everyone of it. Everyone of it.
Just one talk of the town. You can look for that crest there. You can look for that sign there.
Oh, and I see them
One
on the
talk.
merch them too, you see me? I see that on the merch them real wicked and man, you see me?
That is
Cool, man.
So the merch coming out real soon then.
Yeah man, everything right now is talk of the town, and from a talk of the town people are going to want to know what going on. People are going to talk about it because we are giving them things to talk about. The important things will make sense, you see me?
Yeah.
Nobody not talk no folly. Right now we are talking about things that make it work, you
Yeah.
see me? The right thing, you see me?
Because I'll tell you the truth, because in here, sir, I want to release all pain. Right?
here.
And in the streets are where everything come from. So that's why I want to come take you now to the streets now for sure. We want to grow up and go through why we can come in here and release all of them pains there. You see me?
Yeah.
So that's how deep we are going inside to know where we now come from, why we come up with their music and why we find the time for have these talents. You understand? Because I want to grow up and go through, you know. You see me? Because message you now put out there. But I have to go through things in life, yeah, if it come down to this. Oh, my son.
That make all the sense and none of that, man. And where do I come from? I might play as well. Big up to the place where I come from. We have some tune we drop on that too, you see me? I got them pen, you see, there are two sides to it. You have the west side, you have the north side, you see me? And I got them pen the whole of it down here, so you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
And one connection. You know you have the good and the bad and whatever, but we there so in our music and the studio. So I basically run like out, we have a show and after I make you know
Yeah.
what I want.
Yeah, man, so- Yeah, because we want to do that and then we'll come back here to come finish off with some freestyle and vibes, you know what I say? So we'll just send them off with a big party, you see me? So we'll just show them how to go on in the inside that I want to grow up and things, and then we'll come here some vibes it off and close it off. You know, so them have to walk the street when they walk and realize what we go through, you know. Yeah?
Yeah, what else?
Come.
Yeah, what touch?
Come. Yes.
One Dutch, one bigger music, one better side, whole team. One problem, man.
I got family lives, you know. Oh, so you're saying to hang out in 450?
Yeah, I make y'all a little woman who used to cook and clean too.
Aside.
Yeah.
So man,
Yeah.
I see you used to cook and give to you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see
there,
what I
see
say?
there.
See, you know the machine from Africa on TikTok. Yeah.
Is that,
Yes, I told the place, you see me, I say,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
we used to hang out every day still, you see?
Yeah, yeah. So these are the vibes corner when they always will have vibes.
Yeah,
and
we'll
things.
avoid sometimes, you see what I say? You see, yeah, and it's at the moment we do the cooking. You see, all of the cooking and she deal with it, you see?
What your name, mama?
Chin.
Chin. Oh, so you say them say every chin can cook, you know. Shiny chin.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, man. So that's what past show now. Tell me something. What's it like growing up in Cockburn Pen?
A bit challenging, but we survive.
Well, you know, so well, you have to survive because
Yeah.
the one thing in life, you know, so we have to try and the best to survive, you know. So you know, so you have the ups and downs, so, you know, so does the violence affect you in your life?
Sometimes when violence, you know, everything's slow with business, violence even destroy business. So you know, once violence in the community, business goes slow.
Yeah.
Or sometimes we have to shut down the business till the violence stops.
Yeah.
Because they put a cease on the business.
Okay. So it's traumatizing growing up in right through that?
Yeah, most times when there is violence, but otherwise once there's no violence, everything good.
So you have kids as well too?
Yeah, 2 boys and a girl.
Okay, so I know you must be worried for them as well too growing up.
Can't sleep with the boys, them go out the road when there's violence. But because them drive, sometimes we just have to pray them up and cover them and bring them back safe.
Yes. Well, you know, I understand because I even grew up in the inner city as well too, you know, before with the migrants, and I kind of understand sometimes how they have to worry, right?
Once you have boys, you always have to worry.
You have to worry, you have to just make sure you lead them in the right direction for that to happen as well.
Yeah, that's true. And once them not mix up still, all when them not mix up, we have to still a work because there's police, where we text it for them and people we text it for them. Man we just literally pick for them, all when them not mix up.
So you have friends where you lose or pass away in the violence too? People where you know pass away? Brother man, see him on the wall too. Brother. Oh, brother, that's on the wall. Okay, so that's your brother, same violence as well too?
Yeah, but that was like from 2012, so
yeah.
no, we don't dwell on the past.
Yes.
So we just have to just protect who is here now. So as I say, once you have the sun, then you have to just pray up them and cover them, you understand?
Some just go on with this face here, man. You know, and just go on continue from here, yeah? Chin, look a bit, you know. We are going up the road.
Thank you.
Yes, I. You see, yeah, man. So, when you call a street here, what is your name?
You know, this is a Philip Avenue, you know.
Philip Avenue.
Yeah. You see, this is my street where me live on, you know. You see, you don't know, I got enough of them. You got them come check me. You don't know after everything set, you know. You see?
Yeah.
But you don't know, I say, I'll get we live in, you know, so I say, I shall tell you, so we have to just open my eyes sometime when they, you know, violence start. You see what I say?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, road is.
Yeah. One and when it all start. Right down there, so if you turn the camera, look at the end of the road down there, so the first ever performance of sound system. First show ever.
Right there, so.
That make me know, say it.
Yeah, so how often the violence happen around here?
You know, it's up on a big man level.
It's happening round.
It's happening round way, you know.
To be honest
With you, you know. It's round way. It's happening inside still, you know, but once in a blue moon. You see it? But it happen, you know. But when I say cross, so mostly, you understand, on the side, the mostly violence. Over here, so when you see a thing happen, must somebody mess with somebody.
Okay.
That's what I say.
So you have a deeper ghetto in a Cockburn Pen itself?
Yeah, man, in a place where you can't walk right now, man.
You cannot walk there?
Yeah, you can't. You go down there with a man going to stop you and a man going to stop you and check you and say, oh, how you come to? Understand? See?
In a Cockburn Pen,
yeah. You see, but you don't know. A man just check you because, you know, him don't want to make sure say you're alright, you know. And he don't come to hurt nobody from feeling black, you see it?
Okay.
I don't really say him just want, you know, check you. Just stop you and say, boy, family, who you know around now? You see it?
Yeah.
Make sure say you safe.
Yeah, you must make sure say you look on a safety too. You see what I say, fam? You see it? You see it? It's one of them things there. See it?
Okay. Oh, so I think over here alone was Cockburn Pen.
No, man. Whole vicinity. Whole globe.
Okay.
Alright. When you mention Cockburn Pen in the studio, that entire area, from like the tree man coming down to like this side, back here.
When you reach that stoplight now, so go back the other side now, water.
Okay.
See, but from stoplight come down, Cockburn Pen same way. Basically, you see what I mean? I say cross street, Cockburn Pen same way.
Okay.
So the whole, you know?
Yeah. Alright.
Great, you right, yeah.
Daddy, you right. Great, Daddy, you right.
Daddy, you right. You see what I say? Go up in that yard, you know. You see what I say?
Streets of Cockburn Pen.
Yeah.
All
This
in the
this is a cling avenue. You see that you have to take a start and ball here, you see? Yeah, look at it. great, you know?
One dark eye to music.
Long time.
Imagine I don't have to bend, I just I don't need to bend, I just walk straight.
You been a while ago, though.
Yeah, that's true, she don't have to bend. She don't have to. Man. Swats. So guys, we're walking along Olympic Way. You know, walking along Olympic Way.
J1. None of my clocks. J1, everybody.
I'm one of the biggest businessmen in the place. I say it Jeremy.
Can't lie.
I am when we want anything, I am you understand?
And then when I say alien same way, then when I tell you to do the music and do it, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Cool, man.
So am I representing for the change as well too?
Cool, man.
So we bring one African princess here for you from Kenya.
You know,
Rasta.
TikTok and
Empress.
Yeah.
You mean?
All the way from Kenya.
Africanness, yeah. Yeah, my sister. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Better days are coming. So link you. What are them time I know my father?
Alright,
think I go?
Tell me something about Cockburn Pen.
Tell him.
Tell me something about Cockburn Pen.
Yeah, man, I say everything, yeah, man. Real people and real everything, you know. It's all about the place, you know. Place to be, you see. Yeah.
Place to be.
Yeah, man.
Remember, you also the place to be, you know. Some people afraid to come Cockburn Pen, you know. But you also it's the place to be.
Yeah, man, what you talk about, man. You can't afraid to come here, so, man. For me, no mix up in a nothing, man. And everything is good, man. You see what I say?
Because you have also good and you also have bad. So
yeah, man, everywhere.
But you have
everywhere.
You have to make them know that, you know. You can't cause. Remember, you know, when you hear about Cockburn Pen, say you hear about jungle, you hear about Trenchtown, you hear about Tibali Garden, and you hear about. The whole thing I hear is like about violence, them place that bad place, you know.
Yeah.
But no one said there's everywhere there's good.
Yes. Definitely.
So we have to always explain to them and say, yeah, there's bad
things, you know, but
there's also good.
Yeah. See what I say? Because violence is everywhere now. You see what I say? See what I say? But I don't you do it more time. You see what I say? Because from you, they mix up and from your street and you do what you have to do. Because our business me run, you know, so our business me thing there. So you don't know, say, from our business me there, I did some my thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Are you not straight from this?
No, sir, because that me I do.
So you would have anything to worry about?
No, sir.
Okay. So like you do your business because you born and grow here, right?
Yeah.
So you known. So for a total stranger, no,
well, me no born and grow here, you know.
But they've been here for the longest while.
Yeah, me been here for the longest while, but me no born here.
Yeah. But when you come here, you know somebody before you come here. Yeah.
Catch the pot.
I smell the pot, Jeremy. I smell the pot. I'm not lying. I smell the pot. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Right now.
So that's man, now we have on the store around there. We have on the store around there.
Right now we have some what I call now,
so you take
some
cakes.
Some island one flour. You see what I say? But me call it cake still. You see what I say? But regular people call it dumpling, but me call it cakes because they are not eat no dumb food.
Yeah.
You see it, so I don't say you see what I say? But there's some potato cakes here I have. Round there and some callaloo and some stew, you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Go on. For the egg, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you
yes,
are straight vegetarian?
Straight vegetarian.
No meat?
No meat, no fish, no animal, no nothing.
No fish, not
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
No tin mackerel, nothing.
Somebody say got tin mackerel.
Man, you say me have no, man. It's straight vegetable.
Yeah, man. So what more I just let the people know so well Cockburn Pen, you know, you might hear this and hear that, but
yeah, alright. Well, people, you might hear it and hear that, but Cockburn Pen, good place to live and raise family and everything and do business. You see it, so want to just come in and come represent. You see me and say, because I'm there for show the item, say, a good place. You see? So.
Yes, sir. Alright, then.
Yeah, man.
Jeremy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And that's Jeremy. Johnny.
Up movement, Jeremy. Where tattoo man?
In there, man.
In there.
You put on tattoo, you didn't have no tattoo for you. I'm my tattoo artist, I'm a peer tattoo artist.
Forward.
It's tattoo shop.
Yeah.
Oh, tattoo base this in a way. You see it?
Ah, blessed fire.
Respect, man.
Most righteous, most righteous.
Hello.
You know what?
Watch the YouTube video, them, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Hey, we never know some I see here. We never know what I see here. But look, you see me not see Chris. Hello.
You want to touch up? You want to touch up?
Yeah, just getting a tattoo done, you know?
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm going to see myself look more.
Man, say never know your mother. Yeah, for the tattoo island.
Yeah, we just...
JB Ink.
JB.
Ink.
Check it out, check it out, check it out. You see me, go getter, chase your dreams, you know? Don't make nobody hold it down. Stuff it where you want.
Instagram, you know?
Yes, right. So how much you got a tattoo for? Like card for that one there?
About 10 grand.
10 grand. How much is that in Kenya?
10 grand is 10,000?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, 10,000 is like what, about 80 US?
75.
75.
75.
Oh, side power.
Remember Towile here? We are going dead here.
Towile.
Yeah, today I'm a day off, but Towile, remember Towile, please. I always watch and I say, why them not got Towile? But before, remember when I go Towile, go Waterhouse too, yeah?
Yeah.
Go Marvel, Yakiwaki, all of them places. Because all of them places surround too. You get me I say? Yeah. Welcome, same way.
Tell us something about Cockburn Pen, man. You know the thing go.
Well, I'm not lie still, you know. You have to live here to really understand, you know. I mean, every community is different. Cockburn Pen, the people is loving. There's a unity here that's not in a lot of the garrison, you know what I mean? Now find nobody rob nobody or thief nobody, things like that else. Get to justice, you know? But I mean overall, just like every other hood, you know, trying to survive, trying to hustle, you know, everyday liberty. So, but, come on, nothing but love still overall. Well, honestly, the violence is a force within itself. You understand? If you're not involved in that, brother, you don't even know it exists. You know what I mean? If you're really involved in it, to experience it. I mean, sometimes when they go down, innocent people get involved. But overall, if you're not in the violence, brother, violence don't, you know what I mean? It's not your problem. But I don't experience no violence. I've been here at this spot for about 12 years. I mean, I've never really experienced no violence at first hand, but you know, around I've heard stuff, but like I said, it's all related. Dudes know what they doing, not no innocent people.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Bad man against bad man. You know what I mean?
So if you're not involved in anything, you won't get nothing.
Nothing unless your family probably involved. But my problem is though, what I think is the problem, I'm not push out nobody where I do wrong, you know what I mean? So that problem would always exist. You know what I mean? You know, in our hood you have to keep your mouth closed. You're in farmer, you can't live out here. So a lot of stuff you have to just live it down, but just the reality, you know?
The accent. You live overseas before?
Yeah man, I lived in the States. I grew up in the States.
You grew up in the States?
Yeah.
Since you've been here from them time? Since you come back to the start?
Yeah man, since I came back I started doing the ink. Yeah man, over 20 years now. You know what I mean? So I had a journey.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah man, so give thanks man and go on camping. How they are going to walk shows?
Yeah man, respect and love.
Yeah man?
Yeah man, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yo, I say a word now, we touch up the road, you know.
Respect.
One love.
Okay, bye.
That's it.
See you later.
Yeah, my family. Big up yourself, you know. And carry on, you know.
Yeah, see that.
Big up every time, you know. AWO, alright, that's the official.
Yes.
Can see me on the Instagram. That is Aradax again. Yeah. And you know, just I get another tattoo done. You know, December we are trying to get in the thing there. You know, do the career the right way. That is on the YouTube. So them can find me on YouTube, you know, Aradax well official. You know, ARADAXXWELLOFFICAL. So if you don't catch a part there, you can pause the video and go back. And you see me? I'm catching. You know, I'm going to vibes, man. I'm too now. And you can go and run TikTok to I'm going to vibes. But you know, for now, I'm just gonna get this thing finished. And later on, I will be showing you on TikTok and on Instagram. You know? So tune in. Alright, I'm big up on yourself now and carry on. You see me?
Yeah, man. Somebody stepping out already.
Who did that?
Him. See the pair foot there?
Stepping out the
The right foot.
Yeah, rub the dirt or something.
Right, the grass.
And the white person in you.
I just passed my ex out there. I just passed my ex out there on the sidewalk.
That don't funny. Yeah, this is Dillis Avenue on my street. This where I grew up. You see me? Originally come from St. Mary. That I went me at 2. A long time. I've been there so from me at 2 until now. My father and them you see it. That piece of Cockburn Pen, my little stretch, my little energy, my little vibe, you see me?
Yeah.
So things were going on with me from Yasso and exploring different places in Jamaica and all them things there. I react to with my music and them little way they get that energy, you see it. So this is a home base, you see me?
So you're home base?
Yeah. Church we used to go, Trinity and Baptist and all of them things there, but that's a when in our time. Right now I think of New Year's I'm good listening. But life is life, tangle in the wind.
Also, so you're a religion person?
I'm a religious.
You're a religious person?
We believe in a religion, that's the basic part. Right? We believe that there is a God and there's somebody where make way. So for us work with it and know so because I mean yeah. Our food spot them a yard they say Uncle Bad. But I make you talk if you want to ask more about Cockburn Pen and stuff, you are next elsewhere. Go here and as well.
Uncle Bad.
Uncle Bad, yeah.
Uncle Bad.
I say Anilian as well. Them always tell you to do the work. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't come in superstar, you know.
So we have Uncle Bad. Blessings and big up. Blessings and big up. How many them call you Uncle Bad? So your uncle and your bad, which one? How them call you Uncle Bad?
I'm a bad.
Bad?
Yeah.
Okay, so we hear about...
But the bad we're good doing now.
So we never know you have bad or good?
Yeah man, that's the only bad what is good. And it's this one.
Yeah.
So you have to teach me that one day, because the first me that one day, you know.
Alright. If you be around me for a long time, you'll get I know.
I come there only for a short time, when we can learn right now.
You can learn. Just be good and live clean. Make sure say in your so no corrupt.
I'm not saying Anilian no good enough.
So I know say you know you grew up around here, born around here. I just grew up
all
around
my life. All my life.
All your life. So you grew up through a whole heap of changes, right?
Many.
A whole heap of things you might see as well in your time. So what's the difference with then and now?
Then and now? But you see then, those are the time. You see now, now it's perilous time and it's peer generation of blood-sucking vipers. We are live monks right now.
Right now.
Yeah,
right now.
it's not pretty now.
Yes.
It's not pretty.
So it's more dangerous now than then.
Yeah man, we are dangerous. Watch this, back in the days when we are youth and we say we are going to party, we could have walked from here to go Marvel. Walk from here to go pop in and come right back any hours. And you not worry about nothing. No, you can't do it. You go dead. You're dead here.
So you have to just hold your boundary then.
Hold your corner and stay alive.
Yes. Best way that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Best
all right,
way that.
big up on yourself.
Yeah. See there?
Yeah, and walk on the safe part, you see me?
Yeah.
Alright.
So are we walking on the safe part right now?
No, me can't tell you, no, but you must know. Stuff for you know.
No, so I like how you live around here. Am I walking on the safe part right now?
You're good at the nicest places you could ever do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cockburn Pen.
Yeah, man, especially in that little circle.
Okay, so you have different sides then.
Yeah, man.
So that side of the good part.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So I'm telling you.
Like I say, even a day are still in it.
Yeah.
But the more safer.
More good.
More
Okay.
safer, you see me?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Alright then. Big up
yourself.
Uncle Bad.
Alright, I love
But change the name to Uncle Good now, you know.
Alright, that's smart.
Yeah.
No bad, listen, you see that, man.
What's your road?
Alright, now we go check a alien old man. You see, because he's left on the block. You see?
Yeah.
You see? No, when you say them thing there, you never get a youth yet, a 31 pitney me get.
31?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Him not young enough. Don't take the him about 60
Yes, sir, 31.
Yeah, man, I got,
How much baby mother?
I got 15 baby mother.
What's your road?
He's shooting.
Yeah, man. Where I say you? You
But
see?
it's a Jamaican thing, it's not a surprise. You, how many do you have?
Two.
Yeah. Waste time, yo.
Waste time, no.
Waste time, man. At 19 me have a New York.
90?
19 me have a New York and 12 at Jamaica. You see it? My last is a daughter, she's 2 years old. You see, I'll be 60 in December. The 20th of December, I'll be 60 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know me.
So you keep contact with the whole
Yeah,
31?
Man. Yeah, man. 11 of them will come down December, come visit me. You see? So we have to keep the thing real.
So you have the whole 31 contact in
Well,
your
I
phone?
have kids. Yeah, my kids. Them. Sometimes I forget them name. Yeah. Got them too much. I have to ask, what's your name again? Yeah, but that's so. You see it? I got about 17 grandkids I know. You see it? So the thing I populate. You see it?
Yeah.
So them things they say, man. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Enough of them want to be like me. Are the greatest of the greatest. You see what me I say? Yeah.
So you have to teach me how you do it. Yeah.
One never.
That's what it's my idea. I know say that big wall look that's mind. Eminence on the ground. And
yeah, she's here, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Won't be this.
Yeah, my father they set up for Hot Wednesdays.
Oh, so your father a promoter?
Time.
Yeah, that's all.
I'm telling you.
Sumo, yeah, the yard. You know, ever about Lucky D?
Yeah.
I'm a big cousin.
Oh, look at the big artist, eh?
And Danny Davis, my uncle, one connect up there.
Danny Davis, the man responsible for dance, man.
Yeah.
The man who have dance.
He's not set up yet, but you know.
Okay, that is.
Yeah, I'm like to try. I see my shirt.
The man they know about pen, the man is a bad artist. He bad at himself, you know.
No, I can't do that. No, could never admit it. Me better than him.
Him admit it. Yeah. Oh, well, that's how it go. You see it. So movements, yo.
Yeah, but
I'm come check about a movement.
You don't understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The party did up already.
Yeah.
One talk of the town music.
Talk of the town today. There's some of them. There's every day with a studio, a yard. Studio, a yard. We want to finish up down the studio and tell them that for
3 stars and stuff.
Bible continue.
Alright. No, so come we go down on the Charlie Road. We can't walk on the back.
Charlie Road instead?
Yeah, man. We can't walk on the back. I'll get that to one step.
I don't know. I live here though, but you know, that's just a vibe.
Oh, now stop somewhere else.
Yeah.
Okay, so the back page is known for the ride by or the drive by.
So the back page, that's the back page. You see the wall there, sir? It does go weird on this, sir.
Okay.
Back in the days, you see the wall, and just build the wall. You see, it wasn't a wall. It was a ball ground, but you see, I tell you for me about 11-year-old when me can remember. You see, we used to wake up every morning and come see 3 and 4 body over there and hug and eat them. Real talk. You see it, but after the years and the years pass by, you know, things stop now till somebody come and buy the property, fence it off. Old Ranny Ford we used to call it, you see it?
Yeah.
So you don't know, things changing in the community. Everything I get upliftment, you know?
Yeah,
Sight, you know, work, everything I change, you see me? So, you know what I say? It's an upliftment and nice.
Because one time you couldn't walk up and down.
Like this.
Like this. Now we can walk up and down freely. Nobody now stop with nobody now. You see it?
Okay, so there's a change now.
Yeah,
in
man,
the
it's a
community.
big change in the community right now. You see it, so you don't know.
Different from the side where you say right now we cannot walk.
Yeah, the next side are over, so. We can't go over this, so. Over this.
People stop you?
Yeah?
People they stop you?
Yeah.
And ask you what are you
What
doing?
you doing and where you come from? You see what I'm saying?
Let me now tell a job you give me a kind of just work around. Nobody.
This is peace side. Remember, it's a towel, it's a neck side, water.
I just try at daytime still, say for evening time, you find say more people that out.
Yeah.
But you see through the sun so hot, you kind of find say the people and stay in and you know?
Yeah.
But the time after 5-6 o'clock, you find say everybody just take a shower and them out. Everybody at them gate out. You find some more people, you see me?
That was the school. Just now that you just read it right there. This is one of the pioneers of this school. Miss Blossom.
Oh, Miss Blossom.
This is a school where she
Miss Blossom.
made it.
Hello, Miss Blossom.
Hi, Miss Blossom.
Let's say
You wanna take a 1 minute to chat?
Give me a 1 minute out of your time, Miss Blossom. Man, we're going to have it.
Why?
There, no, have it. 1 minute out of your time, Miss Blossom. You see it?
Josie.
Don't even call my name.
So this is a basic school.
Don't allow him to bully you. You hearing me?
It's a great woman. I thought she
had
bring me into
the teacher over the little school there, you know.
Hello, Miss Blossom. Nice to meet you.
Grow me, you know.
See all of what them say, nothing go say.
You're the on video, you know, so anything I say.
Can't talk. Just the way it is. Nothing go say.
Not go say.
Yeah.
So what about Theme 31 kids them? They come to your school too?
Some of them.
How much of them out of the 31 come here?
Shall I or talk the truth?
Yes, sir, tell the truth.
Two of them come.
Out of the 31 kids, how much come here?
Well, you know, definitely they don't have to come in because guess what happened? I see them every day. So whether they enter through this gate, yes or no, I impact them. So it's neither whether they come to this school. Every school in this community belongs to me. I don't know about anybody else. We definitely need more male children, male teachers, you know, to impact society. So we're not talking about no local. Anybody local outside of Jamaica, yeah?
Okay,
We large. Yeah. So I'm gonna want nobody thinks so with this. Where this? They're large out there, man.
Okay, can maybe show us inside of Cockburn Pen, you know?
And we're not in any pen neither.
No pen.
No.
Outside of it says Cockburn.
It is a community which is community. So it's a community. These are from colonial days of thingy. It's now branded Sieve Right. We still open that to learn more about this Sieve Right, because anybody that has the name for this community, I don't know, their ancestors and all of that, they should be impacting the community.
Yes, true.
But Cockburn Gardens, it's all they call it as well. But some people say Cockburn Pen. We're not operating within no pen.
Okay.
And we like the garden part of it because the variety that is in the garden.
The bloom.
Yes.
Flowers are bloom.
Yes.
And this is what you do, bloom the children
and I am Blossom.
And you're Blossom.
So that's my pet name.
So that's where you belong in the garden.
Oh, trust me, man.
So this is Cockburn Garden.
All right.
And Blossom.
Cockburn Garden, whichever, But it's all about giving our community this distinguished, eloquent name that our children start to embody, basically. Because if you start telling them about pen, they will probably feel like them to go wild. Yes, we can.
Like goat pen.
Yeah, and that bulls are in pen like that. When you talk about a garden, you talk about a variety of exotics. So that's how we want our children to be. I mean, many persons, and it's not everybody like rare things and rare flowers anyway. Some people destroy it.
True.
Some flowers are really food.
So exactly. Strings
and brethren who have school in the community, they have to be a part of this.
Yeah. So how many students on Avenue?
We have 75 kids.
Oh, 75.
Yeah.
Is that the maximum?
No, there's room.
Oh, there's room for more.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So this is a local basic school, right?
No, I don't want you to think it's the local.
It's not a local?
No.
Okay,
Don't go there.
So you have on the outside as well too,
You
other
see,
community.
I want us to envision these institutions. There's nothing local about it, because the children that I am imparting knowledge to is for the first world and beyond.
Okay,
Yeah?
Yeah.
So everything that we do here, we're ensuring that we are setting role models out there beyond the shores. These are grandchildren. My children stand out because of who I am and what I stand for. So children are, they say, are like sponge, you know. And it's not just the ABC, the one to our black people, you know, continue to keep the fire blaze the fire, continue to blaze the fire. You understand me? Because our children, and this is one of the things that we are passionate about in this community, that parents can start to see their children's future in the now, in the present. One of the things that I always do when I'm enrolling a new student, I will say to the parent, what's your vision for this child? And it's based on that I want you here. Because if you don't have a vision for that child,
what is it?
Who is going to have that
There's
vision?
no direction then. Unless the street is going to teach the
You
child.
know, whatever you envision, you're going to work towards that.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you do is going to be according to that vision, you know. So when they can't tell me, I'm just saying, well, you know what, I don't think this is the right place for you, you know. On a very serious note, I don't think this is the right place for you, because we want our children that comes from this community to stand out and stand very tall and very strong. You know, so this is just me.
Thank you so much, Black.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
Thank you so much for the wisdom.
One of them time. I might not see me, but
I don't want you to make me no more promise.
no, Mr. Rabbit. One have stay for a minute now, because I have a son that I want. Yeah, I'm looking white one.
Ask him again.
Huh?
So you say you want your child to be enrolled here?
Or at least for extra lesson.
For extra lesson, not a challenge. How old is he?
3.
I don't want you to preempt that. Anything that is to be known about the child, I will discover that. You understand me? Some people come telling me how rude they are. Well, like really? If they're acting like 18 when they are 3, you understand me? Then I would say yes. But children, leave them be. Let me discover who they are. So what's your vision for your child? Because that is one of the criteria.
Well, my vision for my child, I want him to come out with a deeper understanding of our culture, because he's not from here, he's from overseas. So I want him to come down here, have an understanding, at least for the type of schooling that we have done.
Oh yes.
So when he goes back over, he'll have, because you know the best schooling comes from our culture.
Don't I know it?
We're not going to talk about that on camera.
God be praised.
No, at the start of the debate, but yeah, the best schooling comes from our country, and I want us to, and I want him to be rooted
in the culture. Yes, I believe so too, because when they have that foundation, trust me, they're balanced.
And I will carry him around here also.
What, in the morning, is it okay? Like, look here, there's no time.
Kick back the last play for 1 minute. Still I try wonder who really start this. What coulda caused this? Make you really gone switch start move like snitch. Me no know what them do for your trick, yo. Come a violate and I move like snitch, so. But I one thing me sure about, I know who you give all the helping, and I go help some people ungrateful. Them no remember the dirty foot days, now them I got played full up. One time the place did empty, now look how the place full up. Just be grateful, just be grateful. Generation of viper, all of them a fighter. Sit down and a plan up to strike you. No matter what you do, them a go criticize you. You get the hardest set of fight when you a rise up. Them now want see you rising. Never do them nothing, still they don't like me, no. Me nah go try for evil, waste no time and reason with some evil people when I go see it, say life too sticky out here, I don't even know for trust.
Them the streets man I go cause the door hard for fine. Can't get a raise the boss man unkind. Babylon I try if he corrupt man mine. And I sell with the guns to bust shot and hide. But a streets man I go cause I do what me need. Evil I fight but me know just see it. Them want me for fall but me hold the lead. I'm still a run road till the toes a bleed. One talk of the town, you know it go. This is Dutchy.
Real Dutch. That Dutch part. Talk of the town.
Top producer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One talk of the town. One bigger, one JP. One never. You hear that?
One.
How we say that? One.
Man, the talk of the road, where the talk of the town, them know say a problem. Mad dead. Don't know, you know, big up yourself, you know, the whole Cockburn Pen around, you know, see it. One city, one dream, one team, that if you know. Blessings and all, I'm free. Respect. One talk of the town music, big up yourself. One talk of the town music. Pendant, the girl them love the dance pendant, you see it?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.